How to make AI read text on CapCut 2024. In this video, we're going to be talking about AI and how you can make it read texts that we have on CapCut. All right. So to do this, what you're going to do is you're going to come over to www.read.ai. Now, Read AI is a platform that allows you to go ahead and read all of the textings and words on a page. So to get this for yourself, what you're going to do is you're going to click on Add to Chrome. Now, once you click on Add to Chrome, what this does is it gives you a Read AI summary extension. So once you add this to your browsers, what you're going to want to do from here is you're going to click on the extension section, click on Read AI, and once you click on that, what you can do is add URLs over here. And what that does is it reads whatever's going on in your page. So whenever you ask it to read anything that's going on in your page, what it's going to do is it's going to make a report or analytic down here that will tell you what was going on over here. And in the case that you don't want to spend money on Read AI, because obviously Read AI is a paid platform, let me show you a platform that will also do it for free. Now, the other platform that I'm going to be talking about is CapCut itself, because CapCut itself has a free AI text to voice, okay? And you can use this software for yourself easily. All you're going to have to do is you're going to download this specific software for yourself, and you should be good to go. And you can turn any text into voice for yourself, where you're going to make AI read all of your texts, okay? And you can also access this in the online section, but obviously it might be a little laggy and it might cause you some issues. So just go ahead, download the AI text to voice from CapCut, and you should be good to go. So that is pretty much all there is for this video. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.